baby I will come after him na me say a year we pass a bus or Abusuapanin to park pa me di ho ya papa say me say na police won't mean chini pa Ghana na obi abusua asem so de obi ni trinwi se de ayi sina no tibi be me de na asem kra de me kra na mbo
Papa she is just some night critical. Abusua for my hands are clean no. Some mama ya we asem no nya kana eradi. Mama nim dada say anam pese mo so platform we hwe keke.
So much why da mama kasa na menda.
Say there is am pacho kasa why middle.
Come on, Mr. Come on, baby. Papa Shee wo. Enyo no say ono be see isle gondai no. Afi so ono be see isle gondai no. Time ben eno dey be see isle gondai no. Osan see Tantra Hill. Owie no okosi station no. Oh, I thank God. I thank God for social media. Sesa nema we nyina empepa da. Oh, when Tron udi ana kwa na ni interview ni na me bae no. Me come back on a year no oh say Kumasi say no go area who say yep otu for one penny da oh so me ya ba Accra no me ya ba interview no me ti so ka say omu twantoma na ntoma ne ye Akosua se wa yo na me busa me ho say nti eyi no e Akosua se wa na ye be celebrating na LUMBA
asemi nyina che say on say what dream some no one seriously to one is difficult to understand all the things that are going on.
No I'm one say na mo this topic by because me chi interview na wo me ti me kwa na me kasa and I'm say na LUMBA na mo ba be na yi na mo se mo twa ntoma no entoma ne ya Akosua se wa yo do ene mo ka che say mo ba na ma be show Akosua se wa che say I don't know say they celebrate
Akosua se wa. Celebrate mama Akosua se wa.
Yes,
they should just take that LUMBA out of this issue.
That is it.
And then you tell people, so okay, because of this or that, you are celebrating. Because of the things that they are saying. No.
Na mo celebrating no. Na mo find it because asa year be you feel say in penifona ye if ye no almost ntimi amba wo de omunsan body e ba no omo be so rabbit na say. I don't think so. And also asa now ontimi fa address number say omo akasa na omo nya sure because I don't think say e be possible. And
are there nya possible anke ye twa ho ntamanyen
na so na urefi say ye ba ko no makasa si omo urefi they went as far as say time Abusuapanin OC your friend say billboards
banner billboards
yes billboards no so musu ko si bi it's we mo no me say I don't think say be possible one crime krom ho enye possible it enye possible mo mpene kra masade ne mba so ebi omo person we celebration for Akosua say well fine they should change the topic no and they beti ase but pass ade with the Ghana yes remo I just pray because
no and to man no ye no they said say the picture na be dem no be that LUMBA picture but and to money Dino will be called if I got the
wow Richard say me what be that
the picture will be that LUMBA's picture but and to money it didn't say why or do and then they will have some that will not have pictures in it. I think I wish I saved that audio now that played for you guys to listen.
As a Kumasi anya year that I increase so ohene wo ho ohima so wo ho inti and so anya years almost omate omunim ne ekoso inti ne hwe because asa now no unza mapa shi untimi fa location and out. Okay, we live to see. Rachel. Me Peneso kra Rachel. Peneso why?
Okay.
We'll be brave.
Thank you so much. Trust is
truth is better. Yo, mechiamunyina.
Trust is better. Pacho, please kindly come in.
Yo, mechiamunyina. First of all, first of all,
okay.
The me can say LUMBA boni a oye ni say wali mi na da ben na wali mi eye boni e wo wiase. And aside that, omu bremu odobroni no. Odobroni sebi LUMBA tinifia no kobo ni prum. enu obi enu no se maba enime na ne mu ana
ati for my type name Funko 250k I say yeah 221 still yeah Funko 250k
eno ba say enime na ne mu ana asembo ya ye kese a akofa ba ni nyina ye oma omuton mu fie nsem e ma abontensofo ana bonnensofo asom ena omu horo no abasa sereni abasa kire say enye anti Akosua Brempoma ene ofa ya poku se ho ahwan ena mami Akosua mkotai na chi ya kase winke nuru sei mami Akosua kofa asem we baaye no ena nka wanya sa abusuafo mienu ya na be miensen yam amomanta na chi a no mo shout no apoa enka entimi nuru sei nko nya ahoden entonkoso enkoye sa ade no enti die ko nyina masase boya ba LUMBA ewu a ebosumi nsia na ekire so ye da so ka ho asem no eye mame Brempoma ne ninuanu bia omote omo ani brenti omote omo se omo okun etia Abusuapani enom do mkobo mame Akosua ana masem we nyina eduru sa brewe na papa Shee dia me can ask him because he's suffering from dementia. Because asem na work and it's neither here nor there. Nipa baako.
me bacho pacho brado na do bacho betimi akasa akwaba pacho dobronyi classmate pa ni o dobronyi classmate ankasa ene wo ha Mr. Donald bacho good evening Donald Otemeka I think say Mr. Donald Dada bacho de ho betimi akasa yeah Shee baby good evening.
Yeah, Abusuapanin me church amunyina.
Let me also pa.
Pacho Motemenka.
We are talking pa.
Okay. Where dey me work akere bi kana. Madam Rachel asema obisa say den na ma Akosua Serwaa ye oyere no. Eno na me dey me pese me kase. Time omu reading 1 week tribute na Kelvin e ready ye no. Asema okan ne say ne papa lovely wife odobroni enti se ne batumi ka se ne papa a onim se ne maame wo ho no be ready tribute no say me papa lovely wife odobroni Priscilla for ready a na me gidi se aware bia ni ho but which let's have a look at the character of Papa Shee.
Me pacho tribute there one here.
Have a look at the 1 week tribute no.
Pacho tribute there one here.
1 week no. 1 week no. Also mo ready tribute. Calvin ready tribute. Emma. Ne papa.
Shee baby, cash queen, thank you so much. Shee baby, is it a candle night?
Yes, the candle night. That's the candle night.
Alex, how about me? I bought a no my patch of I want to confirm.
On a year in the so be a driver. Just them. I just say, Pia, when you may be a sister.
And part of me to make a 12.
But Alex, you can mute that not.
Okay.
Thank you.
What am I? Me where you until me break time now so. Into my main cast into no tribute no. Say Alex boy obete ose ne papa lovely wife. No kind candle night no kind man. Into no media you might believe no. Any dear me hu nyina no. Minim say aware bia ni ho na mami Akosua Serwaa a revenge into no buy. She felt to say this is the time be mani ni ho. She could also revenge to enyama bia omo to me sort it out. But me kasa nyina me san kase yenhwe the character of Papa Shee. Obo interview no. Me tie interview no na me tie say wabo Elvis Presley di. I'm say Papa Shee say okotna Elvis Presley fee. But I reach out to
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, you're too kapa.
Oh, okay.
Yes, me do me too kasa o, but don't me papa.
Okotna Elvis Presley fee. Now, let's have a look at Elvis Presley. Let's say Elvis Presley was born January 8, 1935 and passed in August 1977. He was a successful rock and roll actor from Memphis, Tennessee. As at 2020, Elvis Presley, now he was worth $400 million to $500 million. He earned $100 million up to $1 billion. Anyway, Papa Shee, how possible can he get close to Elvis Presley mansion, or worth it $400 million to $500 million? Asemsebe, all is not well with Papa Shee. And then I'm afraid say meka ho asem because na e baffle my dream say Papa Shee so to me.
For the life of our father, for the love he gave us, and the legacy he leaves behind.